Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix photos disappearing issue in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then click on app list. Now here you can see the option AI gallery. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of AI gallery. After clear the cache memory, then go back to your home screen and open AI gallery. Now scroll down and click on recently deleted option. Now click on it. Now here you can see all your recently deleted photos or videos. Now here you can restore or permanently deleted. So this is the way to fix your photos disappearing issue problem in Infinix Hot 60. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.